And today in this video tutorial I am going to discuss about how to set up your project units in Revit, how will you set up units and snap setting in Revit. So today I will see how you can easily manage to set project units in Revit. So what will I will do, I am going to make a wall here. So what you are saying in the wall, that the dimensions are showing in feet and inches, and here means in properties panel also it is showing wall in inches. So if you want to change the project units to some other units, so there are this is easy. What you will do, you will go to manage, and here there is project units. This symbol represents projects unit, and a shortcut command also you can type un. So suppose I am entering un, and this window shows here project units, and here it is given length in feet, area also in square feet, volume also in cubic feet, angle degree, some slope in inches, currency, and mass density. So you have to just consider about all these top three. Suppose if you want to change to some other format, like suppose you want to work in metric or so for that you have to change the length, area, and volume in this project unit. So this is very easy. I'm going to just click this, and from here you're saying length is in feet inches. Forget about this 1 feet and 11 by 32 inches. It is just for representation. Just you have to consider feet, and here it is inches. So it is, when you will click this, the format will show feet and fractional inches. So after that, and there is drop down arrow here. I'm going to click this. I'm going to select suppose millimeter, and here is it rounding to what decimal place you want. So if you want to 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, so I will keep it default 0 decimal place. Unit symbol, if you want to show in you can click here And what is this suppressed trailing 0 feet is that when suppose in some dimensions it will return 0 feet 6 inches, so it will remove 0 from front and you will just write 6 inches. So you can keep it default, and then you will click OK. After that, area is in square feet. Just see, in same process you have to just click this and make is a square and you will click OK. And after that, volume is in cubic feet. Just click this and make this cubic millimeter. Okay. And angle, you can keep this, slope also you can keep in 1:2 decimal degrees. Okay. And mass density you can keep same. After that I will click OK, and when I am clicking wall, it is showing So it is very easy to change the means project units in Revit. So now it is showing when you will make another wall, you are saying clearly seeing that every dimensions is showing in So but in properties palette it is showing in feet and inches. So for starting, when you want to change properties also to be shown in metric units, so what you will do, just you have to go to starting welcome window, and in this you will click new, then select architecture template, and here it is browse. You will go to browse, and these are template files. Means US Imperial represents the units which are in feet and inches. So suppose you want to show metric in properties palette also, so you have to go to templates and US metric. You will click US metric and then you will select default metric template. Template files are those. How will define template file? Template files means is a project template which can include view templates, loaded families. Suppose templates helps us in showing it is a pre-defined units. Suppose if you want to make in before only, like in AutoCAD you have to set up in before. So same way this template file sets the units before only predefined, and also line style, how will view line weights, view scale, and this project templates helps us in predefining the standards in which you are going to working in a project. So I'm going to click this default metric and I'm clicking open and okay. So I'm going to click wall and you are clearly seeing this properties palette. Now it is showing in metric unit, basic wall generic 200 mm. So this we are easily seeing that we can easily change the units. And suppose if you are working in any current project, so how will we change dimensions? Suppose I am opening this project and this is project of any building, and you are saying that dimensions are in feet and inches. So suppose if you want to change from here only in metric, you have to just press same like UN, and after that if I want this in mm, I will go to select this millimeter. Okay, I will change area also from a square feet to a square mm. Okay, and volume also if you want you can change it from cubic millimeter. Okay, okay, and you are clearly seeing these dimensions has been changed in mm. So if you will compare with AutoCAD, changing dimensions in project units is very easy in Revit. And next, if you we are going to for snap setting, we'll go to manage, and here you are seeing snap setting. So snap setting is same like AutoCAD. When you will click this, there is object snaps on. Suppose in or same like AutoCAD, if you want to show endpoints, midpoints, nearest, work plane, grid, quadrants, intersection, center. So all these points you can select whatever. If suppose you want to show midpoints, you have to check all. If you want to your preference, first you will here check none. Everything will go, and you can select your preferences, whatever you want to show. Intersection, centers, perpendicular, tangent, and if you want to everything you can check all. So I will suggest just use check all. So when your snap is selected, suppose I am drawing some here wall, and we are able seeing here is end point and here is midpoint. This magenta line is showing end point. So everything will be shown only if our snap setting is on. And if I'll go to manage again and snap setting, and I will put this snap off. Okay, and oh, nothing is showing here. So snap setting is important in Revit to work easily. So you have to keep it mostly on. So you have to uncheck from here. Okay, and in next video tutorial we'll see further in Revit Thanks for watching for today. Give your comments, share and like my page Software Mania. Subscribe to my channel and give your feedback. Thanks for watching.